Alright, in this video, why it's a good idea to connect your car's Sat-Nav system to your home network, your computer network. The reason is you get more options and it gives you traffic options. So for example, on this Ford Focus 2015 to sync to, pressing this button here, the systems button will bring you to this screen, and you can select from here your Wi-Fi setting, put in your wireless Wi-Fi setting code, and your car will connect. As soon as it connects, this will start lighting up now. Once you light that one up, you've got options here. Say for example you've selected to go on a particular journey, it will tell you the traffic en route. For example, traffic en route, or all traffic, en route traffic. There are no reported traffic incidents along the route. See how helpful that was. So if you hadn't been connected to your home SSD, wireless internet, you wouldn't have known that. So if I press all, right now pressing that all traffic information gives you all the traffic nearby. 9 miles away there's TMC, can't remember what it is, a traffic jam here on this A40, roadworks in A340 Basingstoke, and so but on my route no reported traffic incidents. The computer can select a route to avoid all those things that you don't want, traffic jams and roadworks and things like that. So it's a really good idea to connect your computer to your home wireless internet system. Thanks. Hit the like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Any comments put below. I know there's people always ask why on earth do they connect their car, what's the point connecting to the home network, and this is the reason.